Yes, grab a snowflake. Whoa, I'm grabbing too many. This way.
Today is snow day here in US and we came here to enjoy the snow. You can see how beautiful it is looking. This is the back side of our house and this is the amazing view outside our home. Where my husband and Banali are going down to near the trees. Let's go down and see how is the view. Feeling so cold and you can see my winter dress. Nali is making a snowman. Where is the carrot?
Daddy's holding the carrot.
And this is the tree full with snow and all the trees around. Hi friends, as you can see it's snow day here and snow is all around us. Here Banali has made a snowman which looks so cute. Yesterday we got an alert that today it will be a winter storm, so all the schools here in Connecticut are closed today. There is no snowman made by Banali.
No, I'm finding the carrot. Where's the carrot?
Okay. This is the back side of our home and this is the view. See, our backyard is full of snow.
I finished the body. Now for the face.
This is Banali school and you can see the play area and playground all are full with snow. As today is holiday for kids, so all the kids are very much excited to play in the snow. So we are going to a park where kids can play. There are many activities for kids to enjoy in the snow. They can play snowball fight, they can do sledging. Banali and her friends all are going there. So let's see how kids are going to enjoy in the park. Now we are going inside Nevers Park. You can't imagine that yes, it is a kids park because whole park is full with snow, looking white everywhere. But yeah, the view is absolutely beautiful. I think a lot of kids come here to enjoy the snow and play here. So let's go. Come this way. आपका हो गया? आप जा रहे हैं?
अरे इतना लेट आ गए तुम लोग क्या कर रहे हो?
Banali, come.
चलो लेट्स गो
I need a sled.
This is Nevers Park and people come here to play in the snow. You can see so many people playing there and kids are enjoying a lot. So let's see how people are playing here with the snow.
right here.
Dad, I just pulled my leg.
How?
Dad, you jumped.
You hit one.
Yeah, like what after
Oh, heads up, Em. You okay?
Manali, slow. You are hitting others.
And you're like,
Go to the petty sideline. Manali.
Look out! Push me, mommy.
Now Manali and Ayan both are coming. Let's start.
I want to get pushed too.
And Ayan, did you enjoy? Manali, did you enjoy?
I'm gonna be at the front. No, this time I'll be in the front again. No! Yes. No, I want to be at
Why you both are fighting?
the front. You're going to orange and I'll go in the red one. But I will. I'll go.
Ayan. Manali. Hey, Jia, I gala. Add hello. Manali, come this way. This way. The kids are falling down and fighting with each other.
Get in. I'm just going in the front leg.
You make us orange one. Come. Come, Manali. Manali, come. Hey, Pinky, this side. Go this side. Somebody has seen.
I know. You were my first and holding on.
Go, देखा.
This baby was photo or sliding.
Sliding photo both. Side. Hey, side. गोड़ ऊपर गोड़ तले रख भांगी जो गोड़ ऊपर गोड़ रख साइड
चलो मन तो दिया ठेली
साइड वॉच साइड पे
चलो
घर जा
ତାଙ୍କର ରେକର୍ଡ ଅଛି ସ୍ନୋରେ ପଡ଼ିବାର
ଛାଡ଼ି ଗଲେ ଗଳି ପଡ଼ି ଇଏ ଛାଡ଼ିବ ସେ ପଡ଼ିବ
କିଏ ଗୋଟେ ପଡ଼ିଛି ଏଠି କଚାଡ଼ି ହେଇକି ଯେ ଉଠୁନି
ଛୁଆ ନେଇକି ଆସିବା ଦରକାର ନା ନହେଲେ ଜାଣିବେ କେମିତି ଟାୟାର୍ଡ ହେଉଛି ନା ନାହିଁ ଓକେ ହୋଲ୍ଡ ୟୋର ହ୍ୟାଣ୍ଡ पैसा उठेगा मोर स्लाइडर भाई ये साइड अच्छा रहेगा ना वो पूरा नीचे जो डरी डरिवार किसी नहीं तो डरिले खस परियो
छुआ डरू ना
आयस कम
हमको डर नहीं आयस कम
ना आयस जीवन से टायर्ड है
गोल गोल बुली बुली के उल्टा जाउछ उल्टा उल्टा झियो का
ଯିବ ତ ସମସ୍ତେ
ହଁ ଚାଲ ଏବେ ଥକି ଯିବଣି କେତେ ଖେଳିଲେଣି ବଢିଆ ମଜା ଅଛି ନା चलो
ର ମୁଁ ଧର ଦି ଜଣ ନ ଧରିଲେ ଟାଣି ପାରିବ
You could see the uncle. What the trees?
ତୁ ତ ଧ କାଇ ଗପୁଛୁ ମତେ आराम से बस आराम से लागी गिरो तो पत्थर बस ए ऊपर बस आगू बस बस एथर बस बस हां बस बस से कमल पके बस है ना चल
बाय बना लिया यांश had a lot of fun here. Now all the kids are tired and we are going back home. Hope you have enjoyed this beautiful snow and this beautiful park. The kids are enjoying.